Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab I'm going to be creating this super easy soft glam makeup tutorial. It has been trending here on YouTube and I wanted to share with you guys my take on a soft glam makeup tutorial. So go ahead and grab your makeup, follow along, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead with my Carmex because my lips are so dry. So we're going to go in with a mixture of products, drugstore and high-end. Comment down below if you want me to do this look all over again, just using drugstore or just using high-end. But I just got finished filming a drugstore video, so that's why some stuff here on my table. I'm just going to use some of that. But yes, so for moisturizer, I'm going to go in with this Tatcha Water cream. I haven't used this like just yet on my channel, I don't think. I talked about it in a Sephora haul, but I want to go ahead and use this. So that is what we're going to do. I like this little spatula thing in here because you don't have to worry about like cross, I guess, bacteria or whatever. And you can measure how much product you're actually using rather than spooning your whole finger in there. I love products. I go a little ham when it comes to putting on products sometimes, depending on the product, and stuff like this is expensive, so I need to use the spatula. But I'm gonna go ahead and with this. So this look is a soft glam look, and I saw that it was really trending, so you know what, let me see if I typically do like soft glam looks when to me a soft glam look for me is like glam, like a real like glam beat look. But well, this feels amazing. I don't know if it's because I just cleansed my skin. I just cleansed my skin with the e.l.f. cleanser, and that stuff feels so good. But now I'm putting some moisturizer on it. But yeah, I've seen a few videos, but I feel like for me, soft glam is like a big thing for me. Like I love soft glam looks. So I was like, oh yeah, I definitely gotta add a soft glam makeup tutorial on my channel. And this is gonna be that. So this feels really nice on the skin. The Tatcha Water cream, really nice on the skin. Moving on to foundation. Funny thing is, I've never tried this foundation. Some of the stuff I haven't tried. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. This is the La Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. This is supposed to be the matte one, and this is in the shade 5W Amber. This was sent to me. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be the Flawless Fusion because the other one that I have is the Radiant one. I've never tried this one. The packaging is really luxurious. It has like this zebra print brown and black top with the frost glass packaging. So yeah, I think this one is going to be a little bit deep, but oh, bruh, I always do that. This may be a little warm, so don't be alarmed. Like I said, it was sent to me by my homegirl here on YouTube, Andrea. But I really appreciate it because I never tried it, and I'm just gonna make it work with some concealers. But stuff actually, tones like this I like because I have dark hyperpigmentation on my chin area, so tones like this I don't mind working with, to be honest. So all right, going in with my sponge. So it may look a little orange Oompa Loompa right now, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. So that was actually like a pump and a half off those few dabs when I spread it all out. I love when a foundation, I just love La Mercier stuff, so maybe that could be a bias thing, I don't know. But this is one of my favorite brands, if you had to ever ask me that. It just works really well with my skin. Like, so like once I blend it out, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's gonna work because I love when it's a little bit dark down here or a little bit orange, so you will down here because of my dark hyperpigmentation. But for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade medium, and that's what's gonna like really make this like blend out together because this is so bright. And the undertone of this is more of a cool undertone. So then I'm going to just blend that out. Oh my gosh, I didn't even put primer on. I didn't even put primer on. Oh well. Don't be like me. Put your primer on. Primer will cause your foundation to last longer. I got so excited about this foundation that I didn't even put primer on. Comment down below if that happens to you. Like you'll be in the middle of like about to finish your face up, honey, and then you be like, I forgot primer, or I forgot moisturizer, or I forgot to set my face. Comment down below if that's you. It happens. So I'm gonna just keep going. Alright, so I'm going in with a new powder. I hate to open up a lot of new products, but that's what I'm here for, to show you guys and review them with you guys. So far I'm loving this foundation. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the shade Vanilla. I've never tried this powder before. I feel like vanilla or banana could work for me, but since we're going for a bright under eye, I'm going to do the vanilla. It doesn't have a smell, if you never tried this one. It doesn't have a smell. It's a huge packaging, so you get a lot of product in this thing. This is what it looks like. And like I said, I have the shade Vanilla. So far, so good. I'm just going to brush off the excess. You guys, I've been loving this brush. This is the Real Techniques 300 brush. It looks like this with all this gorgeous like ice out handle. Check out my last video, which is a try on affordable drugstore makeup that I've done. I was trying on some makeup over there. Alright, on to bronzer. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild bronzer. I've been liking this as well, so I'm going to try this again. I typically would go in with my Benefit or my ABH, but I don't have a new high-end bronzer, so I'm going to go in with this bronzer. Comment down below a new bronzer you think I should try. Alright, so that's all we're going to do to the face right now. I'm going to go in with, oh, let me go in with some blush. Going in with this e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. Alright, so I was torn in between the two of these two palettes to do this soft glam look. Either the Urban Decay Born to Run palette or the Huda Beauty Nude. But I think I'm going to lean towards the Huda Beauty Nude just to do like a purpley look. First things first, I'm going to go in with Tickle and place that all over the lid. And with this look, I'm just going to like pile up a lot of shades and get the airbrush effect for my soft glam look. Make sure I pack on these matte shades. I haven't done like a pinky look like this in a while, so that's why I'm doing this one. With soft glam, you can pretty much do anything that you want. It's all about the shimmer and the definition as well as the blending. Alright, so now that we have Tickle down, I'm going to go into Spanked, same brush. Spanked is this shade right here. And I'm going to focus that on the outer V area, all out here and up into the crease. To deepen it up a bit, I'm going to go into Love Bite, which is this purpley shade here. Same brush, I'm using the same brush. This is like simple. Alright, so now that we got the lashes and I did my bottom lash line, I'm going to go into the inner corner. I'm going to go into the inner corner with this one, Charmed. Guys, so I went in with the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Joyride, and I used the e.l.f. Nebella Noore lip liner, and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy, super easy to stay on track as far as watching this tutorial soft glam makeup look. So until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.